Introduction to Thermodynamics. First law, cinematic intro with soft music and animated graphics of molecules, heat flow, and engines. Have you ever wondered how engines work, why your coffee cools down, or how the universe conserves energy? Welcome to the world of thermodynamics, the science of heat, work, and energy. What is thermodynamics? Visual. A boiling kettle, sun warming earth, and a car engine running. Thermodynamics is the branch of physics that deals with heat, work, and energy. It's everywhere, from cooking to climate, from engines to energy saving. The first law of thermodynamics, visual, equation U equals QW appears on screen with simple illustrations. Let's focus on the first law of thermodynamics. It says, the change in internal energy of a system, delta U, is equal to the heat added to the system, Q, minus the work done by the system, W. Equation, delta U equals QW, visual, show a piston being heated, expanding as work is done. Imagine heating a gas in a piston. The gas absorbs heat, Q, some of it increases the internal energy, delta U, and some is used to push the piston, W. 3. Real-life examples, visual, food being heated, a car engine, and an air conditioner. When you heat soup, the molecules move faster, that's internal energy increasing. In a car engine, fuel burns, producing heat that does work, moving the car. In an air conditioner, energy is transferred to cool your room while still following the first law. Important concepts, visual, thermodynamic system types, open, closed, isolated. We study energy changes in systems, which can be open systems, exchange matter and energy, e.g., boiling water in an open pot. Closed systems, exchange energy, but not matter, e.g., a sealed bottle. Isolated systems, exchange neither, e.g., a thermos. Asterisk 5, summary and key takeaway, visual, animated summary with keywords, energy, heat, work, internal energy. To sum it up, the first law of thermodynamics tells us, energy cannot be created or destroyed, it only changes form. Whether it's engines, refrigerators, or your body, energy is always conserved. Motivational tone with soft background music. Stay curious, because understanding thermodynamics is the key to understanding how the universe moves and works. See you in the next lesson.